Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, well, welcome. My name is Stella. In today's video, I'm going to be following a tutorial by another YouTuber, and the first person I wanted to try was Nickkietutorials. I've seen a few of these here on YouTube and they looked like so much fun. I absolutely had to try it out myself. This is the Dark Vampy Flawless Makeup Tutorial. This is what it looks like. I'm going to follow her as she creates this look, and I'm going to try and do everything she does. Disclaimer, I probably don't have any of the products Nicki originally used in this video, so I'm going to be looking for products that I feel could give me the same effect. So I'm just going to hit play.
Hello people! Hey guys, I'm also going to show you a couple of tricks to make hooded eyes or just small eyes in general give an optical illusion to look larger and bigger and more doll-like and more like Bambi.
Okay, so I already have standard eyes. In fact, my eyes are borderline big eyes to begin with, so this is going to be interesting.
I'm going to go in first with the B6 Vitamin Infused Complexion Prep Priming Spray. Right,
okay, so I don't have that, so I'm going to be using my Badescu facial spray. I already feel like Nicki, she's oh my god, I already feel like Nicki because I feel like she's always spraying things on her face and I almost never do that, so yay. This smells amazing. I think I wet my hair. And then to mattify, I'm going to use Becca.
Put it mainly on my T-zone because that's where I get oily.
Okay, so I don't have those foundations either, but I know Nicki generally goes in for a full coverage, so I am going to use a full coverage foundation as well. Vision Cream Cover Foundation. It's a full coverage foundation. I'm just going to start bouncing it in with a beauty blender like Nicki uses. So Nicki used the liquid concealer, so I'm going to do the same. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Face Concealer under her eyes. Right there. Okay, it doesn't look like Nicki put any concealer. Wait, I'll be doing like the center of the nose, all that good stuff. No? But then again, you're not African. No, Nicki, no. You don't have this kind of nasal situation going on. So I will rebel and I'll just highlight the center of my face a little. Nicki didn't do this. I know. I realize she didn't do this, but I'm going to do it, okay? Come on, beat me. Okay. Okay.
And to make sure our base looks flawless all day long and we will not get any creasing, now it's your time to bake.
Oh yay, we're baking. Hold on, I never bake, so this is exciting. Okay. So I'm gonna, this is what I would usually do. This is all I would usually do. Oh, she's setting the rest of her face. I forgot that. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, right up into the baking. Okay, so right up to the baking. This is interesting. I'm actually liking the way this is turning out, so nice.
Sure, our makeup, you know what, never mind.
Okay, so now she's onto her eyes. Wait, we have eyebrows now? When did that happen? Wait. Okay, I'm going to stop and go do my brows and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back and I have my eyebrows on, so let's see where Nicki is. So Nicki primed her eyelids with a pink pot by MAC and set it with a really light shadow or powder. Don't have a MAC paint pot at the moment. I'm going to use a cream concealer instead, and this one is by BM Pro Eye Area. Nicki did, even though this is not the product she used. Anyway, I've already filled this. So after using the brush, I'm going in with my finger just to make sure it's nicely blended. It doesn't look bad at all. So with the Milani pressed powder in medium, I'm just going to, it's looking a bit yellow, but better yellow than beige.
Find the crease softly. This step is completely optional. I have hooded eyes, so I need that little bit of definition in my crease. But if you have beautiful, gorgeous, bigger eyes, you don't need this.
Right, so I'm gonna do it anyway. So I don't have the Morphe palette, so I'm going to use the Juvia Place Masquerade palette instead. And I'm using this shade right here. It's called Fulani. Yeah, this will do just fine. I'm a little worried I may look nothing like Nicki by the time I'm done. It'll probably look nice, but just not like her. Okay, and I'll just fade that to make sure you have a nice fading. Yes. Next, Nicki goes in with this creamy, super metallic, super intense eyeshadow that she's using as a base. But the main product I'm actually going to use to replace that, just looking at the shade and just how metallic it is actually going to be a loose eyeshadow. This one is from Sleek Makeup and it's in the shade Tigress.
Then over top with a damp brush, I'm applying Kitschmas Pigment by MAC, and this is going to go all the way over the lid for a nice shiny pinky touch.
Okay guys, so I don't have that pink MAC pigment, but I do believe I have something close. I'm going to use Dollhouse Diamond Pot from Shomya. Okay, so ordinarily I would do something darker right here, like I'm itching to just but she didn't, so we won't.
Now using this, I'm going to draw a new waterline to open up my eyes. I saw this technique over at Creme McKimmy's channel and I loved what it did for the eyes. Right underneath that with a small definer brush, you want to create a new lower lash line using some brown.
So clearly I picked the wrong tutorial for my eye shape, but I'm not a quitter, so we're going to continue. Okay, so back in with the same Fulani. She's now lining a make-believe lower lash line. My eyes are going to look huge. When I'm done with this, I will look like Bambi.
And then with the pencil brush, I slightly blur out the edges.
Okay, so I don't have the highlighter she's used. I'm going to use, this is a highlighter from Magnolia Makeup in Illuminaughty. This one in here. It's a shimmer. Ugh! It has a pink to it. Ugh, I think it's too pink. The more I look at my eyelid, the more I see that it's actually more of a gold than a pink. Because apparently the pink I applied there just went there and became gold. Is that what they sent you to do? To highlight the inner corner, I went in with Illuminaughty, but it's looking more pink. Wait, maybe I should put that on my eyes. Yes! Aha! Now I have some kind of pinkness going on, so that's better. I'm just going to blend out the edges a bit more. Okay, so the tear duct area, the first shade did not work. So I'm going to go in with a copper sheer gold. Did I overdo it? I think I did too much.
Lashes, I'm gonna go in.
Where's the liner? Wait, Nicki, you forgot the liner.
If you feel like your lashes don't blend in nicely, I always like
just
to
in the beginning.
A little bit of eyeliner on the inner corners, very close to the lash line.
All right, we're following Nicki. We're following Nicki. All right, tight lining. Really, you can really see it. Okay, so I do have lashes from Nickkietutorials, but not in the same style, and I have no idea where they are right now. So I'm just going to use a pair of lashes from Beauty Kink instead. Going in with MAC Zoom Lash.
Now applying a little bit of mascara on the lower lashes, but make sure you only apply it starting from your new lower lash line. And to make it look a little bit more realistic, I'm also applying some lower lashes onto my new lower lash line.
Did you just say to make it look more realistic, lashes on the lower lash line? Okay, realistic, not natural. Okay. Nickkie's lashes on her lower lash line. It's a full strip, but I don't have any strips that look like that. I'm going to use individual lashes for the lower lash line. This is the very shortest length there is. Let's see if it's short enough, shall we? That's it with the eyes and the lashes. I'm actually quite digging this look. You know, I almost never do lashes on my lower lash line, so this is interesting. But let's see what we're doing.
Look at an optical illusion up in here.
I know, right?
Because I want to look slay.
Yes! So I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Contour. It looks like that. Oof.
I'm gonna grab some RCMA No.
Yay! Finally something I have!
Right underneath my contour.
Okay, it's not working. Is it because, okay, let me use what she's using. Maybe that's why. Yep. I've never done this before. It comes down a little. Yeah. Yes. Okay. There we go. So I'm going to go in with Magnolia Makeup Soul Glow. And I'm so thankful for the texture of my skin that has improved like so much recently, so that I can actually play highlights with you guys. I've just been watching you guys with side eye this whole time, unable to participate. Nickie, I'm scared though. Can I clean this part? Thank God though. So I was getting scared. Getting terrified. I'm gonna blend that in a bit more. Especially at the beginning. Okay. I don't have the exact same thing, but this one is similar. This is from Estee Lauder.
I want to go in with a little bit of a darker shadow.
Thank God. Yes, thank you. Oh my gosh, thank God. I've been itching to do this. I really have. Like, I felt like just a little, the tiniest bit of a dark brown would have just added, I mean, oh my God, yes please. And just a little bit, like it didn't have to be too much, and it didn't even have to be a black, like a brown. Okay, I think I'm talking about this too much. I'm happy. Oh, of course, setting spray. Now I really feel like Nickie. That's it guys, that's the end of the look. How did I do? What do you think? Did I do good? Yeah, did I? I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I definitely really enjoyed making this, okay? I think I might make this a permanent feature on this channel. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like this to be a permanent feature on this channel. And if there are any looks you've seen that another YouTuber created that you'd like to see me try, or you'd like to see me try with different products, because that's pretty much what I did here. I don't think I used anything Nickie used. Apart from the RCMA no color powder. I mean, that was the only thing that we both used alike. Everything else was different. So yeah, if you've seen a look somewhere and you'd like to see me recreate it, let me know down below. If you'd like to see me recreate it with different products, let me know down below and we'll make it happen for you, okay? We'll make it happen. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one.